Welcome to my home in PhysDelle. Come on in and meet my little robots.
Hey everyone, welcome to PhysDelle. Come closer. Beep beep. Party tour started. Exactly. Let's go before my little robots eat all the party snacks. Welcome to my living room. Okay, this is where I relax after a very busy day of science. Busy? You took a 3-hour nap yesterday. Shh. Scientists need energy too. Look at these rainbow lights. Welcome to the science lab. Now this is my favorite room. Warning, favorite room. There is no such thing as too much curiosity. Science is all about asking questions, testing ideas, and discovering something new. Uh-oh, oops. See? Even scientists make surprises. Welcome to my awesome garden! We water the plants every morning, and they give us something very important. Flowers, fresh air. Welcome to my kitchen.
Who wants snacks?
Me! I knew it! Snack delivery! Healthy food gives us energy exploring, thinking, and having fun. Yes! Especially dancing. Welcome to my bedroom. Aw, this is my favorite place after a long day. Because of the bed? Because of the bed! Oh, this is my favorite science experiment.
Freedom!
New record! Welcome to my study room!
Every scientist needs a good library.
Do you read all these books? Of course! Can we read the funny one? Definitely! Welcome to my bathroom. And this is where I get squeaky clean. La la la. La 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 la. Bubble attack! Hey! Yeah! Okay. You win. Welcome to my energy control room. Now, here is the secret behind my rainbow home. Energy!
Right. That energy helps power the lights, machines, and smart systems around the house.
So sunshine helps run the party?
Exactly. Best sunshine ever. Welcome to the Rainbow Sky Deck! Come on, everyone! Whoa. Look at that. It's beautiful. This is why I love living here. Science, nature, friendship, and a little bit of rainbow magic. Welcome to my invention workshop.
Now, for my favorite part, crystals. See this purple one? It's likely a fluorite or maybe a synthetic quartz.
We have come to the end of the house tour. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet.